Continuar. Okay, and then I'm going to share the screen. Yes, in this screen. Fantastic. I remind you which are our objectives. Yes, we are dealing with this subject, phonetics and didactics. Yes, to learn pronunciation. Yes, because we are going to be the model pronunciation of our students. Yes, for that reason, to produce properly, we have to develop these auditory skills. Yes, and let me see if I can move it downwards or move this so that you can see. Yes, the thing is that we're going to model our students, but we're going also to assess our students. So these auditory skills must be developed, okay? And then what we're going to do is to start working with highlighting. ¿Dónde se empieza a iniciar? Okay, highlighting. Highlighting, imagine that when you are reading a book, yes, and you want to emphasize some information for you to remember, yes, what do you do with this text? What do? You use the marker, yes. Let your microphones open, because as we're just four, so we can talk among each other. Yes, something much more natural. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Okay. So that you can answer me. Okay. So the thing is that we have the highlighter. Yes. With this highlighter, what we do is to emphasize. Yes, something that we consider important. Okay. Okay. And then the next one. No. There. Oh. Imagine that we have a letter, okay? We want to write a letter. Let me check something, yes? We want to write a letter. It's too big. And I can say, Dear Martha, I've missed you a lot and I'm so excited to finally meet you in London. I will arrive at Heathrow Airport on Monday the 2nd. On Monday the 22nd. If everything is all right, at 6 o'clock p.m., my plane will land. See you very soon, okay? So imagine that this is the letter that we are going to send our friend Martha, yes? And we're going to travel to England. The thing is that we had a blackout, yes? There is no light, no internet, no anything, so we have to send a telegram. Yes, what happens with the telegram? The telegram charges me £3 the word, so it's very, very expensive. Yes, so you tell me, yes, which are the words that you would highlight, yes, with this in this text, so that Martha understands that she has to go to the airport to pick me up at 6 o'clock p.m. Okay, yes, okay, so which is the important information here?
I will arrive, sorry.
Okay, first of all,
well, I missed you.
I don't know if I can, no, I cannot. And I have to move this the other way around again. And let me go back.
I don't know what.
But we can.
It's a mess because it doesn't answer me.
No,
so,
but we can use the tools from Zoom.
Yes.
write on the.
I want to write on the thing. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So perhaps I should leave the presentation and work on the document. Okay. Much better. So how would it be, dear?
I will arrive at Heathrow.
Maybe Martha first.
Martha first. Okay. I will highlight Martha.
I've missed you.
Okay. Is this important?
For me, not.
But not for the telegram, but it's important for.
Of course,
for
it's
the relationship.
really very important. The thing is as important as to pay £3 for Word.
No.
No. For me, no.
Okay.
No.
Arrive.
Keep this in mind. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
So
sorry.
Situation.
Okay. Martha.
Martha.
Arrive.
I'm so excited. Is it important?
No.
No. It's
Not to pay that amount of money.
Finally meet you in London. Okay.
I will arrive at.
Arrive.
Okay.
Yeah, arrive.
Airport
Arrive.
on Monday the 22nd.
I
for me.
will arrive.
I would leave will out.
Okay.
I arrive.
I arrive.
Arrive. Okay. What else?
Heathrow.
Heathrow, the name of the airport is important because there's
Yes.
another one that I do not remember. Heathrow. Is it necessary to write the airport?
No.
No, I don't think so.
Because Heathrow, it's Heathrow, and we all know
It's
that
known, yeah.
the name of the airport.
Then 22nd.
Okay, 22nd. Okay, is it Monday important?
No.
No,
But
No.
the month is not
the
written.
month.
So the month, as the month is not written, it is
It's this one.
this current month.
Okay.
Okay, and if you're sending a telegram, it's because it is something urgent. And blackout, yes, has stopped all your arrangement organization. So the 22nd, and if everything is all right, at 6 p.m., my plane will land.
6 p.m.
6
Perfect.
p.m.
6.
Yeah.
Okay, 6 p.m. Good. Of course, that the plane will land because I land by bicycle. Okay. See you soon, obviously, because it is on Monday the 22nd. Okay. Excellent. What we have done in here, in the written text, it's what we do when we are speaking. Disregarding that we are reading from the dictionary, or let me see, disregarding that we are reading from the dictionary, reading the Bible, talking to a friend, giving a lecture, or whatever, what we do is to emphasize all the new and all the new information. All this new information, as in the telegram, must be highlighted. The thing is that we cannot make a direct transference from the English to Spanish or vice versa. Why? Because the use of the tones and the highlighters are quite different. Yes, are quite different. What we emphasize are the new information. And as the opposite thing, what we have that the old information, yes, which is implied, as we have seen in the telegram, yes, is obscured or not present. The very same thing that we've done here, it's what we do with our voices. So we're dealing with how do we emphasize with our voice. We use stress, rhythm, and intonation, yes? But I can't say that I use only stress, or that I use only rhythm, or that I use only intonation, yes? I think that whatever you use to emphasize has a correlation, yes? Even if we think about stress, what we do is to produce a rhythm, yes? Because you stress something and as a consequence, the other syllable, yes, or the other word is unstressed, yes? And this would give you a kind of pattern, yes, which is going to be repeated in our speech, yes? So stress, rhythm, and intonation should be considered as a whole, yes? And it has to do with the connected speech, yes? The connected speech, the colloquial element of the speech flow. This speech flow is when we listen to a tape, to a movie, yes? And all this kind of music of the language is going to be present here, and this is the speech flow, yes? Speech is essentially movement, yes? We cannot talk like machines, always in the same voice, otherwise nobody is going to understand. Speech is movement, and we have to use it. English makes a wide use of this movement, yes? And the thing is that native speakers, yes, really can understand a sound which is not proper, yes, a sound which does not belong to the native language, but they really do not understand when the tone, when the intonation is wrong. So we must train ourselves, yes, for this motion, for this type of motion typical of English, just to help us being understood. Imagine that we are music students, yes? We have learned all the sounds, yes? All the specifications, the aspiration, the glottal, yes? We have learned all the theory, yes? For these harmonic sequences. But the music student cannot create music till he can make the material move in a melodic way. Yes, we're going to create the music. Music has its stress in the regular occurrence of beats, yes? That is the rhythm, yes? When I produce a stress, as in the metronomy that you have in here, yes? As in the metronomy, which is marking the stresses of the music, okay? All the beats of the drums, okay? All the beats of the drums. So this is going to produce a rhythm, yes? I stress it, and at the same time, I am producing the rhythm of this song. Melody is the intonation, yes? This coming up and down. For that reason is movement, yes? And of course, the language functions in a broad, similar way, okay? So the signs of English, of isolated syllables, are like the note of the chords, yes? Acordes are the notes of the chords, which only become intelligibly when they are set in motion. So we have the notes, but we have to put them in motion. This movement, yes, with its stress, rhythm, and intonation, yes, is the topic that we're dealing with, okay? And of course, the native speakers would not understand a poor intonation, yes? And all our messages could be completely misunderstood. When English is spoken, we can hear that some syllables stand out, and be careful because I emphasize the word, but really what we emphasize is the syllable of the word, yes? So be careful because syllables stand out, yes, above all the others. And we can also give a certain point to our ideas by stressing certain vital words as we speak, yes? As I am doing while I explaining, yes? We can also give a certain point to our ideas by stressing. I'm sorry. My mobile phone thinks that I'm talking to him. I will try to...
It happens the same to me.
Sorry for the interruption. No, I don't want any alarm, please. So see that what I'm doing is to try to emphasize the colored, yes, the highlighted words. We can also give a certain point to our ideas by stressing certain vital words as we speak, yes. So I use tempo, I said it more slowly, clearer, yes, and we have certain characteristics that we're going to see in depth, but it's for you to perceive, yes, the difference of this highlighting. This special stress for emphasis differs from the natural stress of the words, okay? So sometimes I want to emphasize a word and this is going to affect the natural intonation of the word as you can find it in the dictionary, yes? So it is stress that dictates the significant moves of the voices, up and down, yes? So the ability to stress the words correctly will help you guide the speaker to use the correct intonation. So stress is fundamental. When I know where to stress a word, even if I do not know properly which is the accurate pronunciation, knowing where it is stressed is going to help a lot, yes? And remember, yes, that we are only change the movement, we're only going to change the intonation on the stressed syllables only, okay? So, rhythm has to do with it, yes? Why? Because it produces a series of patterns of movement, yes? It's what we saw before. We produce the stress, and this repetition creates a pattern, yes? A leitmotif of the song, for example, yes? From one pulse to the other. So, what to stress when we are speaking, yes? Generally nouns, demonstratives, adjectives, most adverbs, and verbs, which are, on the contrary, the words which are not stressed. Prepositions, auxiliaries, conjunctions, pronouns, yes? See that as a denominator, what they have is that they are generally unstressed and have weak forms, yes? These feeling words, not content words, but feeling words are generally unstressed. And then we're going to practice, okay? I'm going to record the first time, yes, the first part, so that you can see it. I have prepared the same document just for you to read it properly, yes? I will share the link. So that you can find, no sé dónde tomar esto para que no se me corra. I have prepared this one. I will share it with you in the chat so that you can read better, okay? You can read better from your computers. You are going to, no tengo ya más lugar en la pantalla para correr más nada. No sé ya dónde poner las
Cuando estás presentando y se despliega el menú abajo, ¿no te permite achicar?
Yo prefiero que se vea todo muy grande, a lo mejor es por eso. Lo voy corriendo. Si tengo esto acá arriba, yo trato de que esto, por ejemplo, me quede acá arriba, ¿sí? Porque así me tapa todo esto
Claro.
y ocupa espacio. Pero como necesito estas pestañas, porque tengo que buscar otro documento,
Y
lo
sí.
tengo que correr. ¿Yes? Así que ahora sí, los comparto con ustedes. Voy a salir. Cualquier persona que tenga el vínculo lo puede editar por las dudas. Si quieren crearle una copia para que no se vaya a borrar, listo, no, ningún listo, tengo que copiar el vínculo. Copio el vínculo y ahora sí, está listo. Dejo de compartir la pantalla. Dejo de compartir la pantalla y en el chat van a tener el link del documento. Así lo pueden leer sin ninguna interferencia. ¿Yes? Así que pueden abrir ahí. Generalmente le pido a todos que creen una copia. La copia se crea desde el menú Archivo. Archivo, crear una copia. Así cada uno tiene su copia. Este archivo les voy comentando mientras ustedes lo van buscando. Vamos a utilizarlo para trabajar en clase, para que haya un modelo, y al mismo tiempo vamos a usarlo para laboratorio, ¿sí? Vamos a ir practicando stress y después enganchamos con intonation. Vamos a utilizar esta selección de material que yo les comparto, vamos a usar Wells de la misma manera, y vamos a usar también el Say It With Rhythm, que lo tienen en el website, ¿sí? Así que les voy diciendo...
¿Cuál otro, perdón, que no escuché?
Tenemos este material que yo se los comparto, así para las clases es una selección, porque si no es muchísimo. Después tenemos el Say It With Rhythm, que ese es para dentro de un tiempo, porque ya tienen los tonos mucho más definidos. Ahora empezamos con Stress, ¿sí? Pero es como que vamos entrenando nuestro cerebro para que vaya incorporando estos ritmos, ¿sí? Esta musicalidad que no pertenece a nuestro idioma. ¿Sí? Por eso es tan importante. Ok, voy a buscar el documento, así lo puedo leer yo. Yes. Ok. Y voy a... Ok. Okay, oral production, yes? See that this has to do with adjacent stresses, yes? Meaning adyacentes, two stresses together, yes? Okay, so as this is an adverb and a noun, they are generally going together, yes? So the following combination generally stresses both words. So both words, even they are so close, even they are short, sometimes they are really stress both of them. See the notation, yes? Very cold, very cold. And as I told you before, we're going to start with the notion of stress and intonation at the very same time. Yes, what we're practicing is the rhythm, yes, which is produced with the stress. But at the very same time, if you look below, not so below, a ver, si lo agrando un poquito, talla completa, yes. No se agranda nada, ok.
Control en la ruedita también puede agrandar.
Control más, a ver.
Ah, bueno, también, sí, sí.
Control más, ok. Here, very cold, very cold. See that as this is a head, This is called a high head because it is placed above the word. Yes. So see that in the notation what we have. Oh, se va a cortar. Ok. Termino de explicar y enganchamos con la práctica para el otro. ¿Nos queda cuánto? 10 minutos.
10 minutos.
Oh. Uf, ¿y ahora? No, no quiero comprar ahora nada, no. Bárbaro. No, no quiero.
Bueno, igual si no, volvemos a entrar por el mismo link.
¿Y dónde está ahora mi reunión? No, me cortó la reunión.
No, estamos,
No,
estamos.
estamos acá.
¿Y dónde están? Yo no encuentro ahora la reunión.
Abajo. A ver.
Reuniones de Zoom en la nube, entrar a una reunión, voz asistente, el calendario.
Ahí no dice Phonetics 2, allá en lo que habías compartido. En la solapa de arriba, en la tercera. ¿No era eso?
Claro, pero, porque estoy compartiendo la pantalla, que es a la mina. Listo, ya está. Perdón, me
Ahí
molesté.
está.
Estoy pensando en tantas cosas al mismo tiempo, se ve que no. Okay, so what is indicating this hi-hat is that all this word is going to be produced in a high, steady pitch, yes, indicating that there is no change in pitch, yes, very, okay, and here what we have is a stress which is falling, very cold, even though it is indicated from high to low, yes, the notation says that it just fall, yes, it just fall. So I will accept, because this is not differentiated between a high fall or a low fall. So am I clear or I am speaking too fast? Do you understand? Do you follow what I'm saying?
I have a question, Rose.
Bianca.
Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Yeah. So the horizontal line would be a high.
Okay. This
What?
is a high head. This is the
okay. High end.
high head. This is the
head.
tone.
All right.
Yes, and it's a falling tone. Yes,
All
and
right.
that's it.
Tone.
Yes. So
Okay.
I can say, as there is no differentiation in here between the high fall, very cold, as in a low, very cold. Yes, están los dos bajando, pero uno baja desde más arriba y el otro baja desde más abajo. Demasiada información para esta clase. Very cold. Yes, pero yo se las voy diciendo. Cada uno me va siguiendo su ritmo. Yes.
For the time being, we're calling it a fall.
Fall. Okay. Too much for the first class. But we are going in a hurry, as you can see. Voy a ver si puedo sacar esto para correrlo, a ver más acá. No way. Let me see. No. Okay, well, so you have brown dog. I'm going to read one in this first exercise. I am going to read it and then you repeat it. In the following exercise, you are going to read it on your own. One each student. So be prepared, okay? So that the recording of the Zoom is better. Okay, so this would be brown dog, sharp pen, round table, curly hair, blue shirt, large house, beautiful girl, green grass, fresh fruit, very hot, quite pleasant, badly written, nearly finished, all gone, almost everything, fairly quick, half-dressed, well done, extremely intelligent, very expensive, bright light, sweet voice, clear language, sorry, estaba mirando la hora, clear, and I'm lost.
Sky.
Sweet voice, clear sky, best hat, wrong answer, good luck, English language, far prettier, careful prepared, bitterly cold, badly written, hot water, main road, heavy traffic, modern writer, quite useless, heavy rain, bank holiday, empty bottle, lead pencil, least said. No, sorry, least said soonest mended. More haste, less speed. Be careful, okay? Okay, your time now. Who's going to start? Tell me who is number 1, who is number 2, and who is number 3.
I can be 1.
Okay. 2.
1, 2, you are 3. Okay. Okay, but pay attention so that you read each.
We are reading, sorry, Rose, we are reading the same you read. You read, right? Oh, okay.
The same thing I've read. Si se corta, volvemos. Okay?
All right.
Okay.
Brown dog.
Sharp pen.
Table.
Curly hair.
Blue shirt.
Shirt.
House.
Who said shirt? Shirt. Long A. No ra. Okay? Blue shirt. Shirt.
Blue shirt.
Large house.
Beautiful girl.
Green grass.
Fresh fruit.
Very hard.
Quite pleasant.
Badly written.
Nearly finished.
All gone.
Almost everything.
Fairly quick.
Half dressed.
Well done.
Extremely intelligent.
Very expensive.
Bright light.
Sweet voice.
Clear sky.
Best hat.
Wrong answer.
Good luck.
English language.
Far prettier.
Carefully prepared.
Bitterly cold.
Badly written.
Hot water.
Main road.
Heavy traffic.
Modern writer.
Quite useless.
Heavy rain.
Bank holiday.
Empty bottle.
Lead pencil.
Least said soonest mended.
More haste, less speed.
Very good. Okay. We're going to leave in here because we have less than a minute so that we can start properly with the next part. So we leave this session and we start with the other. Prepare yourselves. You're going to read it on your own because the pattern, yes, the pattern is going to be the same. Yes. So this is the rhythm marked by the stress, yes, of the hi-hat. And we are practicing with the speed, with the pitch movement. Yes. So we're working all together. Yes. Okay. We finish the session and we go on again. Yes.
Okay.
All right.
So better.